quick tutorial on how to do a snake skin. This is my version of snake skin, and today I'm going to be using a lot of different products. So the first one I'm starting with is this jelly gel polish that I got off of Amazon. They're actually pretty cool and they work really nice. This one is the Crystal Rose Red. I'll put it in the description below for you guys. Once that is cured, I come in with Nail Innovations, and it's their Tips and Toes gel polish, and the number is ABB005. Again, I'll put it in the description below. So this is a cat eye. So I'm placing just one layer of this and then coming in with my magnet and then just putting the line wherever I kind of want my snake skin to go. So you can make it however long or however short you want it. I just added it to give it a little bit more glitter and a little bit more dimension in my design. And since this layer is still sticky, I'm coming in with some gold flakes. You can either get them from any nail art place, like Canadian Nail Supplies or wherever. These ones I actually just got from Michael's. And then I'm just placing them on the nail using my brush. And since it's still sticky, they seem to stick on really good. And I'm coming in with an Ugly Duckling matte top coat. The reason why I'm coming in with this top coat is because I usually have a matte top coat for glitters and for chromes, and then I usually have one that's like my good matte top coat, because some of the glitter, some of the chromes will come off into your top coat. So instead of compromising my top coats, I usually just have one for each. And then I'm just giving this a quick buff, making it nice and smooth so when I draw on it, there's no bumps or ridges. And then I'm gonna come in with Jam Gel's new gel polish, Vinyl. I'll just place it on my tile so I can get a better drawing range with it. And I'm coming in with a striper brush, and I just start to do my first lines all the way down the nail where I want my snake skin to go. And once I've finished doing all my lines all the way to the bottom, you can flash cure this for 5-10 seconds just to hold it in place, just so if you make a mistake, that part is not going anywhere and that you can wipe off your other mistakes. And then from here, I start to just make little X's from one line across and then the other line down. So then they start to make X's, and then they'll start to make kind of like a checkerboard the more you bring the lines over top of each other, if that makes sense. And again, anytime you feel like flash curing, just give it a little cure so you don't ruin anything. I think in this video I did actually end up flash curing a lot, just because of course I didn't want any mistakes. And then with this look, I just let the lines kind of gradually go down to wherever I feel is good. I'm not bringing them all the way down the nail. I'm just doing this for this look. I felt like it looked pretty cool to just kind of have the snake skin in just like a little area. And then in this video I do play with the camera a little bit, unfortunately, and then I ended up moving it so it is kind of in a crappy position for some things, and I should have just left it. But anyways, so once all my lines are cured, I give it a full 60-minute cure. Once my lines are all done, I should say. I give it a full cure. And then I'm coming in with my Jam Gel matte top coat. It's the Roll on the Matte top coat. And this is my good top coat that doesn't have glitters in it. So I give it a really nice top coat because I want the bottom to be matte And then once that's finished, I'm coming in with Jam Gel's top coat, their No White top coat, feeling on top. And I'm just gonna start to come into all these little areas of my snake skin. And I'm not gonna do every single one beside each other because this, you can kind of blend them together, as this is like a low velocity gel. And it can have the tendency to start to run into the lines. And I don't want the lines to be shiny. I just want all the open areas of the snake skin to be shiny, and I want them to kind of bulge out to give it like a 3D look. And then as I'm doing all the small little ones, I only do as many as I feel, so it kind of like gradually goes down the nail. Like I said, I only want it to be like in a certain area. And then I came in with Nail Innovations, their 10K glitter, their shiny shades, and it's actually really pretty. It's like really flaky. If you've ever worked with like Beamy Box or Beamy Beauty, they have like flaky gels, and it's pretty much just like that. And it has really amazing coverage. I actually really love their really shiny colors. They have like a rose gold one and stuff, and it's really nice. I'm coming in all the way around the corners and the sides. I just thought that this design needed a little bit more, so I thought coming around the edges was a good little extra blingage because I love glitter. And once I'm finished coming down all the sides, I give this a full cure. That's my finished product for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, love it all. And hopefully I can get some new tutorials to you guys soon.